If you are purifying viral vectors or other novel therapeutics, you know how important it is to avoid contamination. These therapeutics are often produced in small quantities, and chromatography systems in this small scale are often requiring cleaning in place and validation, which can slow you down. Single-use chromatography systems require less time for cleaning, but are often designed for larger volumes. The ÄKTA Ready 450 system was designed to address these challenges. It's a compact, single-use chromatography system designed to purify viral vectors and other therapeutics in small quantities. Now, let's look at the flow path. It has a low hold-up volume and can operate at low flow rates for purification of very small quantities. The single-use flow kit is fully disposable. None of the wetted parts are reused, which reduces cross-contamination risk in multi-product manufacturing. If you're purifying sensitive material or potent drugs, there is also a fully closed flow kit available. And it's easy to use. All sensors are integrated, pre-calibrated, and the flow kit installation is done in only 10 minutes. The system comes with intuitive software, meaning you spend less time coding recipes or running operated procedures and more time purifying. With the ÄKTA Ready 450 system, you don't have to compromise.